You probably already know Warren Buffett is rich, obscenely, absurdly rich. The kind of rich where the house he still lives in cost $31,000 and he could buy the entire neighborhood every morning before breakfast and not notice. But here's the part that actually matters. He didn't get there by being the smartest person in the room. He got there by following a small set of rules that most people know. Almost nobody actually follows, and everyone abandons specifically during the moments they matter most. Rule 1. Buy things worth more than you pay for them. Find a dollar bill selling for 60 cents and buy it. Buffett calls this margin of safety, the gap between what something costs and what it's actually worth. Most investors buy things because the price is going up. Buffett buys things because the price is wrong. Those are completely different games, and only one of them has ever made anyone sustainably rich. Guess which one? Rule 2. Only invest in businesses you understand. Buffett passed on every major tech, boom.com in the 90s, social media in the 2000s, and AI right now. Everyone spent years calling him out of touch, washed up, irrelevant. He just kept buying Coca-Cola and insurance companies and quietly became one of the most successful investors in human history. Coca-Cola has been selling the same drink since 1886. He knows exactly what that business does tomorrow and next year and in 40 years. Turns out knowing where you are beats running very fast in the wrong direction. Rule 3. Mr. Market is your servant, not your advisor. The stock market is not a measuring device. It's a mood ring. Some days it decides your business is worth 20 billion. Next Tuesday it decides 18. Nothing changed. Mr. Market just watched cable news for 6 hours and had feelings. Buffett lets him have his moment, then buys whatever he panicked and undersold. The market freaks out. Buffett goes shopping. Same business, better price. Rule 4. Time is the actual product. Buffett started investing at 11. He has said if he'd started at 30, he'd be worth a fraction of what he is today. Not because he would have made worse decisions, because compounding needs runway. Your money makes money, which makes money, which makes money. A dollar at 10% for 50 years becomes $117. Starting early isn't just helpful. It's structurally almost the entire game. Rule 5. Never lose money. He literally says this is rule 1 and rule 2. Obvious, right? Except losing 40% doesn't mean you need 40% back. You need 67% just to return to zero. Most people spend years clawing back from one bad bet while compounding. Does nothing. Buffett spends those same years compounding forward. The gap between them wasn't intelligence. It was one rule that seemed too simple to take seriously. Rule 6. Reputation is infrastructure. Buffett has run Berkshire for 6 decades with one consistent approach. Buys great businesses, keeps the people running them, doesn't flip, micromanage, or sell when things get temporarily ugly. That consistency means CEOs who want to sell to him specifically, not because he pays the most, because they trust what happens after the handshake. That trust gets him deals nobody else gets. Reputation compounds the same way money does, slowly, then suddenly, then permanently.